This is the DIY Garden by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today, I want to tell you 3 mistakes to avoid when transplanting this fall or any time of year. The first mistake to avoid: don't plant too high or too low. Planting too high can lead to plants drying out faster, along with not being anchored enough in their new location to withstand any winds or being pushed over easily. Planting too low can create a bowl effect and cause water to collect around the plant stem, and also allow for soil to collect around the plant stem over time, leading to rot and disease, which can eventually kill your plants. Mistake number 2 to avoid is don't plant root-bound growth or circling roots on a plant into your garden. Always break up plant root balls from pots and spread them evenly in the new planting hole. This way, each plant will have a better chance to take up more water and nutrients over a larger surface area, and they will be better anchored in the ground. And don't just water after transplanting your plants. Water both before and after planting. This is to make sure that water is readily available to the plant roots right away from the soil below as you place the plant in the planting hole. Then, watering after to keep the moisture filtering down to the plant roots through the soil profile. Also, if there is already moisture in the plant's surrounding soil, then with future watering or rains, water can more easily move through the soil profile to reach plant roots. Dry soil takes time to moisten and then eventually let water move through and down to the roots. Make sure to avoid these 3 mistakes when transplanting your plants any time of year. There are other mistakes to avoid, but these are the main 3 mistakes that we see gardeners make most of the time. Visit our YouTube channel for more fall gardening and transplanting tips by clicking the link in this episode's description. Happy fall transplanting! Now, fall is here, and that means seed sowing for vegetables and flowers. Make sure to have your very own Little Dibby or Dibby XL garden tool to sow your seeds at the right depth every time. Our exclusive one-of-a-kind seed sowing tool has graduated depth markings to help correctly sow your seeds. Find your perfect color of Dibby on our Etsy store or on Amazon. Links for each of these will also be in this episode's description. Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab at the top of the page. And subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.